गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે ટાઈપ 2 એના એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 7 સુધી કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલા હતા. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 8 obtain the population mean and variance of stratified sample mean from the following data given below. અત્યાર સુધી આપણે 2 સ્ટાર્ટા આપતા હતા, હવેથી આપણે 3 સ્ટાર્ટાના સમ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરશું. for first starter y bar 1 is equal to sigma y1 upon n1. Y bar 1 already given. We have to find out capital Y bar. So capital Y bar is equal to capital N1 Y bar 1 N2 Y bar 2 N3 Y bar 3 divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3. So 40 multiplied by 5 plus 30 multiplied by 5 plus 30 multiplied by 5 divided by 40 plus 30 plus 30 200 150 150 divided by 100 500 divided by 100, that is 5. Capital Y bar is equal to 5. Second, we have to find out stratified sample mean on V of Y bar ST. So V of Y bar ST 1 upon n square n1 n1 minus n1 s1 square divided by n1 n2 n2 minus n2 upon small n2 s2 square plus n3 n3 minus n3 divided by n3 s3 square. 1 upon n is equal to 100 no square. Capital N1 40 small n1 8 40 minus 8 s1 square 10 divided by 8 plus capital N2 30 small n2 6 30 minus 6 s2 square 8 divided by 6 plus capital N3 also 30 minus small n3 also 6 minus 6 s3 square 9 divided by n3 6 8 fifths are 40 6 fifths are 30 6 fifths are 30. So 1 upon 10,000 5 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 8 5 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 9. 1 upon 10,000 5 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 10, that is 1600. 5 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 8 960. 5 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 9 1080 plus 960 plus 1600 3640 divided by 10,000 0.364 V of Y bar ST. This is your second answer. Next, example number 9. A test is conducted in class of TY BCom and then results are divided into 3 strata. The information regarding this strata is as under. Number of students, that is capital N1 N2 and 3. Random sample, this is Y Y1 Y2 Y3. Find stratified sample mean and variance of each stratum. Also find variance of stratified sample mean. So આપણે કેપિટલ વાય બાર સ્મોલ વાય બાર એસટી દરેક સ્ટાર્ટાનો મીન એટલે કે વાય બાર અને વી ઓફ વાય બાર એસટી ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના છે. ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટાર્ટા માટે y1, these are samples, so small y1 60, 50, 60, 55, 50, 45 એનો ટોટલ 60 plus 55 plus 50 plus 45 210. y bar 1 sigma y1 divided by n1. Two ones divided by 4. $52.5. We have to find out also s square. So y1 minus y bar 1 52.5, 60 minus 52.5 minus 7.5 plus 55 minus 52.5 2.5 plus 50 minus 2.5 minus 2.5 45 minus 22.5 7.5 minus total y1 minus y bar 1 0, y1 minus y bar 1 no square 56.75, 2.5 no square 6.25, this is 25, 6.25, 7.5 no square 56.25. Total y1 minus y bar 1 no square, this is sigma 56.25 plus 6.25 multiplied by 2 125. S1 square sigma y1 minus y bar 1 square upon n1 minus 1, 125 divided by 3, 4 minus 1 that is 3, 41.67 S1 square. Second starta y2 34, 32, 28, 26. Total sigma y2 34, 32, 28, 26 120. Y bar 2 sigma y2 upon n2 120 divided by 4 30, y bar 2 30, y2 minus y bar 2 30, 4 plus 32 minus 32 minus 2 minus 4 0, sigma y2 minus y bar 2, y2 minus y bar 2 no square 16 4 4 16 40. S2 square sigma y2 minus y bar 2 no square divided by n2 minus 1, 40 upon 3, 13.33 S2 square. For third starta y3 37 33 sigma y3 37 plus 33 70, y bar 3 sigma y3 upon n3 70 divided by 2 that is 35, y3 minus y bar 3 35, 2 plus minus 2, total 0. y3 minus y bar 3 નો સ્ક્વેર 4 4, total 8, sigma y3 minus y bar 3 નો સ્ક્વેર. Now s3 square sigma y3 minus y bar 3 એનો સ્ક્વેર n3 divided by 1, 8 divided by 1, that is 8. s3 square is 8. Now first stratified sample mean, that is y bar st, n1 small y bar 1, capital N2 small y bar 2, capital N3 small y bar 3 upon N1 N2 N3. N1 30 30 10, so this is 30, this is also 30, this is 10. Small y bar 1 52.5 30, 52.5 30 and last 35, y bar 3 divided by 30 plus 30 plus 10, 52.5 multiplied by 30, 1575, 900, 350, 30 plus 30 60 plus 10 70, plus 900 plus 350 divided by 70, 40.36, y bar st. This is your first answer. Next, mean of sample mean, mean of stratified sample mean, that is v of y bar st, 1 upon n square n1, n1 minus n1 upon n1, s1 square n2, n2 minus n2 n2, s2 square plus n3, n3 minus n3, s3 square divided by n3, 1 upon 17 નો સ્ક્વેર, n1 30, first starter માંથી 4 observation, so n minus 4, 1 2 3 4, second માં પણ 1 2 3 4 અને લાસ્ટ માં 3, so n2 is equal, n1 is equal to 4, s1 square 41.67 divided by 4 plus n2 also 30, 30 minus 4, s2 square 13.33 divided by 4 plus n3 10, 10 minus 2 divided by 2, s3 square 8, 1 upon 4900, 30 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 41.67 divided by 4 plus 30 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 13.33 divided by 4, 10, 8, 8 divided by 2, 1 upon 4900, 30 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 41.67 divided by 4, 7500, 30 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 13.33 divided by 4, 2400, last 10 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8 divided by 2, 320, total of these three 2400 7500 10220 divided by 4900 2.09 V of y bar st 2.09. This is your answer. Next, example number 10. Find missing value if n is equal to 300, y bar st is equal to 45.13 and v of y bar is equal to 1.66. Groups A, B, C. Here number are missing. Mean, variance, sample size. So first of all, n1 we have to find out, n2 we have to find out, n3 is equal to 80 and capital N is equal to 300. Mean, that is y bar 1 42, y bar 2 43, y bar 3 50 and y bar st is given 45.13. Variance, s1 square we have to find out, s2 square 50, s3 square 70. Sample size, n1 12, n2 10, n3 also 10. First of all, we know that n is equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3. N is equal to 300, n1 plus n2 plus 80. So n1 plus n2 is equal to 300 minus 80. n1 plus n2 is equal to 220. This is first equation. Same way, y bar is st is equal to n1 y bar 1, n2 y bar 2, n3 y bar 3 divided by n. n1 we have to find out, y bar 1 42, n2 we have to find out, y bar 2 43, n3 is given 80 multiplied by 50 divided by 300. Y bar st 45.13. 345.13 સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે. 45.13 multiplied by 300, 13539, 13539. 42 n1, 43 n3 plus 400. 80 multiplied by 50, 4000. 4000 प्लस है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जैसे तो माइनस था से 13539 माइनस 4000 इज इक्वल टू 42 n1 प्लस 43 n3. So minus 9539 is equal to 42 n1 plus 43 n3. This is equation number 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. First equation, n1 plus n2 220. n1 plus n2 220. Second equation, 42 n1 plus 43 n2. This is n2. 43 n2 is equal to 220. Nine five 3 9. Now this is first equation, this is second equation. So we have to multiply first equation by 42. So 42 n1 plus 42 n2, 220 multiplied by 42, 9240 42n1 plus 42n3 divided by 9539 minus 42 cancel, n2 minus 9539 minus 9240 299 minus, so n2 is equal to 299. Approxi n2 is equal to 300, round. Put n2 is equal to 300 in equation number 1. Main equation, n1 plus n2 is equal to 220. n1 plus 300 is equal to 220. n1 is equal to 300 minus 220. So n1 is equal to 80. n1 80, n2 300, n2 is equal to 300, n1 plus n2 is equal to 220. This is minus 9240 minus 9539, 299. 42n1 plus 42 plus 43 is equal to 80. So n1 is equal to 80. This is your answer. Next, last of this type, example number 11. Find missing value if n is equal to 100, y bar is equal to 7.50, v of y bar st is equal to 0.4905. So n1 60, n2 find out, n3 we have to find out. Mean, y bar 1 8, y bar 2 6, y bar 3 9, s1 square 12, s2 square 10, s3 we have to find out. Sample size, n1 10, small n2 6, n3 3. n1 plus n2 is equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3 is equal to n. 60 plus n2 plus n3 is equal to n is given 100. So n2 plus n3 is equal to 100 minus 60, n2 plus n3 is equal to 40. This is first equation. Y bar is equal to n1 y bar 1, n2 y bar 2, n3 y bar 3 divided by n. Y bar is given 7.5, n1 60, y bar 1 8, n2 find out, y bar 2 6, n3 we have to find out, y bar 3 9 divided by n 100. 7.5 multiplied by 100, 750. 6 multiplied by 80, 480. 6 n2 plus 9 n3. 750 minus 480 is equal to 6 n2 plus 9 n3 minus 750. 270 is equal to 6 n2 plus 9 n3. This is equation number 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. First equation, n2 plus n3 is equal to 40. Second, 6n2 plus 9n3 is equal to 270. This multiplied by 6. So 6n2 plus 6n3 is equal to 240. 6n2 plus 9n3 is equal to 270. Minus 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 6 and 6 and cancel. Minus 3n3 is equal to 270 minus 240 minus 30. So n3 is equal to 10. Put n3 is equal to 10 in equation number 1. n2 plus n3 is equal to 40. n2 plus 10 is equal to 40. So n2 is equal to 40 minus 10. n2 is equal to 30. Now n1 10, n2 30. This is 30, this is 10. Now we have to find out s square. V of y bar st 1 upon n square, n1 minus n1 upon n1 s1 square, n2 minus n2 upon n2 s2 square, n3 minus n3 upon n3 s3 square, 1 upon n is equal to 100 no square. n1 is equal to 60 minus small n1 10 divided by 10 multiplied by s1 square, that is 12, plus n2 આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કર્યું હમણાં 30 minus n2 small 6 divided by 6 s2 square 10, n3 10 minus 3 divided by 3 s3 square આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે. V of y bar st 0.4905. 0.4905 1 upon 10,000, 6 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 12, 5 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 10, 6 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 7 divided by 3 s3 square. 10,000 સામેની સાઈડ જશે તો મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે. 0.4905 multiplied by 10,000, 4905. 60 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 12, so 6 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 12, 3600. 5 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 12, 1200. 70 divided by 3 s3 square. 4905 minus 3600 minus 1200 is equal to 70 s3 square divided by 3. 4905 minus 3600 minus 1200, 105 multiplied by 3 divided by 70 is equal to s3 square. 4.5. s3 square 4.5. This is your answer. Here our type 2 is completed. In next session we will start our last type. Thank you.